How to use your Zomee Fit. The Zomee Fit is intuitively designed for easy operation. Controls: on, off, vacuum down, vacuum up, level indicator, battery indicator, mode indicator, mode switch, finding your breast shield size. Knowing the correct breast shield size makes pumping more comfortable and efficient. The Zomee Fit wearable breast pump comes with a 25mm breast shield in pairs of both 17mm and 21mm breast shield inserts. Use the nipple ruler that was included with your Zomee Fit to determine your flange size. Remember, no two breasts are alike, and some moms will use two different sizes on each breast. Bra strap adjuster. Wearing a supportive tight bra will ensure that your pumping sessions are comfortable and effective. Every bra has a different level of support, therefore make sure to get the compression right before each session. If you're using a more structured bra, try using the bra adjuster included with your pump to create more room. Once both ends of the adjuster are secured to your bra strap, modify the length of the bra adjuster until it is comfortable. Aligning your nipple. Using the breast shield size you've chosen, center your nipple and gently hold the breast shield against your breast. To power on, firmly press the on-off button until the LED screen light illuminates as it enters standby mode. Beginning on standby mode, the pump will automatically enter stimulation mode at the specific level from your last pumping session. When using your pump for the first time, the default setting will start on level 1 of stimulation mode. The LED screen will automatically lock after 30 seconds. The pump will automatically switch to expression mode after 2 minutes of pumping. You can also manually press the mode button to enter expression mode or two-phase mode if your milk starts to flow earlier. Use the plus or minus button to increase or decrease the vacuum levels. If you need to pause pumping for any reason, lightly press the on-off button. Remember that when the pause time exceeds 5 minutes, the pump will automatically shut off. Pump modes. There are 9 vacuum settings giving the user control over what feels comfortable and what works most efficiently. Practice using either stimulation, expression, or two-phase mode. Once you can feel the suction on your nipple, use the plus or minus to adjust the vacuum to find your preferred setting. Stimulation mode, 9 levels. Expression mode, 9 levels. Two-phase mode mimics the way baby feeds from mom, giving you extra stimulation for a quicker letdown with 9 levels. The memory function remembers the last setting used. After 30 minutes, the pump will automatically shut off. Charging. Remember that the Zomee Fit cannot be used while charging. The battery indicator light will illuminate when charging. The pump will not turn on. Use a QC adapter for a quicker charge.